Hey guys, it's your Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well, today is video is going to be about the part 2 to the COMFEE juicer. So guys, I've been juicing since Monday, so I have been juicing really for like 6 days straight. So it wasn't a juice fast. I just replaced my breakfast with a juice. So I'm going to show you some quick recipes I did and going to show at each one how much weight I lost. And at the end, I'll let you know what I lost for the week. This video is sponsored by COMFEE Juicer, and tomorrow, September the 16th, COMFEE is going to be on Amazon Live, and I believe it's sort of to show you tutorials of how to use their juicers. I believe that's what it's about, and to show demonstrations. So I don't think it's like a QVC, but at least to show you how to use the juicer. I have mastered mine, I think, in a matter of 6 days. I have been juicing every day, and I love it, love it, love it. And I believe this thing is VSG approved, in my opinion, okay, because my sleep loved it. Okay, so I did some drinks. I did green juice, I did carrot juice, beet juice, I did pear like a cocktail, and I did a dessert. So I'm going to show you just quickly how I prepare my recipes for this week and show you how much weight did I lose, or did I lose any weight. All right guys, and I'll see you at the end of the video. It's your boy girl. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and the recipes that I did. Again, don't forget tomorrow, September 16th, COMFEE is going to be on Amazon Live. And also guys, you know, again, I am loving this. I feel great, and you can see how much weight I lost, okay, using the juicer. And it was clean. It was quick, easy to clean. I wish I would have had this juicer right after my surgery, because it would have helped prepare me for the soft food stage where you eating stuff like baby food, since it does like a puree. I'm not quite sure. It doesn't really do an ice cream, but more of a thick smoothie. But everything was so delicious. Everything tastes good, and I'm a green juicer. So again guys, I thank you again for watching this video, and I want to thank, you know, the sponsors of this video, COMFEE Juicer, for sending me this juicer. And I just had to do 2 parts to it because I wanted to show people when you juice, you can, you know, lose some of the weight. I do feel like you know, some of this is finally not as swelled as it was before eating carbs, because carbs will make you fat. So, you know, sometimes maybe trade in maybe a breakfast meal for something like a green juice or carrot juice, or maybe like the holiday fall, I probably would do like apple cider with fresh apples. I do not get container food. So guys, really watch the sugars in your juices, anything like that, because everything has sugar to it. And even though fruit has a natural sugar, it's still much more natural to eat than getting something out of a container. Alright guys, it's your Mooregirl, and thank you, and I will see you very soon at my next video. Alright guys, it's your Mooregirl.